Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WordPress.com dashboard, manage websites and posts step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type www.wordpress.com in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the WordPress homepage. On the top right corner, locate and click the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your WordPress.com username or email address into the first field. In the second field, type your password. If you want to stay logged in, check the box for Remember Me. Click the blue Login button. Once logged in, you will land on your WordPress.com dashboard. To manage your websites, look for the My Sites button in the top left corner. Click on My Sites to see a list of your WordPress websites. Select the website you want to manage by clicking on its name. You will now be taken to the site's administration area. To create a new post, navigate to Site on the left sidebar. Click on Posts, then select Add New. You will be brought to the post editor. Enter your post title in the designated field. Use the text editor below to write your content. You can add images, videos, and other media by clicking the plus button. Once you've finished your post, you have several options. Click Save Draft to save your work without publishing. To publish the post, click the Publish button. Confirm by clicking Publish again in the pop-up window. Your post is now live on your website. To return to the dashboard, click My Sites at the top left. You can continue to manage more posts or explore other settings. Familiarize yourself with various sections like Design and Settings for further customization. Take your time to explore the tools available in your WordPress dashboard. That concludes the login and management process for WordPress.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.